Hey everybody, this is Tabitha Jane, and I wanted to come to you and share with you a little bit about manifesting and what I know to be true. Some of the things that, limit us in our manifesting abilities, we often we listen to like, oh, words of affirmation or positive thoughts, which they're great. They're actually super important. So I am in no way negating those. However, bottom line is our subconscious programming, the beliefs that were imprinted to us in our childhood, studies vary. I want to say between 7 and 9 years old. Those imprints really impact how we see ourselves and the internal beliefs that we have. So what happens is now we're learning about manifesting. We're learning about wanting to change our lives. We are learning that we have the power and the ability. And it's so amazing to think how we can take complete control. But all the positive affirmations, all of the good thoughts, all of the meditations, all of these things, yes, they are impactful, but they are definitely the slow path to transformation. Because ultimately, you're always battling that subconscious, subliminal programming that is in the back of our minds. If we think of our mind like a computer, okay? So we've got, any of you out there techies, we've got the GUI interface. GUI is great, right? It's get what you see, or WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. So we get instant gratification. And that is kind of like the positive affirmations and the positive thoughts we put out. But we still have the hardcore programming in the background, which is the ones and the zeros. And the ones and the zeros, those are the subconscious programming that have been built into us for most people, our early childhood. Money doesn't grow on trees. We're not made of money. Why are you so selfish that you think your needs are more important than, oh, well, the whole family? You got 6 siblings and somebody else needs shoes and you want a pair of pants. Well, why are your pants more important than their shoes? They need shoes to walk to school. Whatever. These are dramatic examples, but they're also realistic, because what happens is when we're younger and we hear these types of subconscious programming, they're implemented. They're in our ones and zeros. And then as we progress through life, we get older, we get into the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And we're so used to nowadays that you go out and you want to create a website. Well, you want to drag and drop everything. Well, there's a lot of hard programming that's going on behind the scenes, which is what our subconscious is. So, all of this to say, how do we change that subconscious programming? Because it is an operating system that is supporting and validating the WYSIWYG, the instant gratification that we are so used to. What do? Well, that's why I want to share this program with you, because I've researched it, I've looked into it, I've done all the data, and I sincerely do understand that unless we change our hardware programming, and there's different ways to do that, but this is a program that allows you to kind of, what I want to say, do a quick bypass. So this is why I am sharing this with you today, and I hope you'll take some time and take a look at it. Maybe it will help you, because I do believe we all deserve the very best life possible, and that isn't something that we've been told. But those of you who are ready to make that transition, I think this is a program that is really going to rock your world. That is just the best way I can say it. I can't wait to hear what your feedback is. I can't wait to hear what your results are. And thank you for your time and allowing me to share with you. Because seriously, our subconscious programming, it is a glitch in the whole system. And it just, if we can rewire it, we can totally change the trajectory of our lives. And I can't wait to hear what changes for you. All right, guys, that's all. Thank you. Bye.